how I get rid of ants fast, one product and one product only. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products, and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also, guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping, and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome back, DIYers. Today I am going to show you one product that will not only get rid of ants, it'll get rid of roaches, it'll get rid of earwigs, silverfish, crickets, and so on. That one product is going to be Maxforce Complete. You can see that right there in the camera. What you see I'm holding right now is the 8-ounce bottle of Maxforce Complete. Now, Maxforce, Bayer, now InView, they hit it out of the park with this one. As far as I'm concerned with ants. Why? Because ants are going after different foods at different seasons depending on what the colony or the nest needs are at that time. So a perfect example, some of you out there, you'll hit us up in the comment section. You'll say, Craig, I'm using the taro. Now, taro is a fantastic bait, but it's basically a sugar type bait. And the ants aren't going for it, Craig. I put it out, I've had success in the past, they're just not going for it. Well, that goes back to what I said. The ants are going for different things depending on what the colony needs. That can mean that they are going for carbohydrates. So they're not gonna touch that taro. Now, if you need a carbohydrate bait, then you have to go to something that's more of a granular form. Carbohydrates like peanut butters, things like that. It's not what you're going to use, but that's what it is. They're going after stuff like that to build up that colony. Now, what Maxforce did is they said, hey, let's put it all in one. Take out all the guesswork. So what they did is they took this Maxforce Complete in a granular type form, looks like a sand. You'll see, we're going to go through this together and I'm going to do an application for you. But what they did is they put the sugars and they put the protein all in one. So it doesn't matter what they're going after, they're going to be attracted to the Maxforce Granular Complete. So how does this come? Well, I told you I have the 8-ounce bottle. Over at HowToPest.com, we'll have the QR code right here. We have the 8-ounce bottle and we have the 4-pound bottle, I believe it is. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's a 4-pound bottle. So if this suits your needs after that video, you can just hit that QR code, go right over to HowToPest.com. YouTube shopping, guys, couldn't be any simpler. It'll come straight to your house. People go, you're selling me products. Yes, I'm selling you products. I'm showing you professional grade products. If I didn't tell you how to get it, it wouldn't do you any good. Can you get it other places? Sure. But we're hoping you'll go to HowToPest.com and get it, and the QR code will be right there. But let's get into this, guys. Now, you hear me talk about PPE in every video. PPE, for those that don't know, it's personal protective equipment. Now, on the label, which is briefly on the back of this, and I'll show you in a minute because I'm going to put my gloves on the back of the bottle, most pesticides are going to have the label on the container itself. You can see on the back of this one, they do have it here, but on the front, this opens up into a little booklet that'll peel open and it'll show you all the label, but it's very hard to read. So what's an easier way to read that? I got a fly that wants to hang out with me. You can jump over to HowToPest.com. You can go in the search bar. You can punch in Maxforce Complete. It'll pop up. Punch on it, click down on the right-hand side, about halfway down, it'll say label. Hit that, and now you can blow that label up as big as you need to read it a lot easier. It's the way I do it. If you have 20/20 vision, this is probably fine for you, but it's just an easier way to blow up that label. Now, we got called out today to this grass area that you see behind me because it is a play area. And kids were getting lit up by fire ants. Does this take care of fire ants? Of course it does, or I wouldn't be showing you today. Now, you'll notice on the label, it'll say roaches and it'll say 1. Well, that 1 is as you scroll down under the description of what it takes care of, what different insects this will take care of, it'll have all the roaches out there. So it's letting you know, yes, roaches, but scroll down and you will see, or look down on the label and you will see all the different roaches. American, Oriental, German, and so on. ants, it's gonna wipe out just about every ant you guys have out there. I'm talking cornfield ants, Argentine ants, pharaoh ants, thief ants, odorous ants, fire ants, imported and native. So this thing is wiping out just about everything. Now, where can you put Maxforce Complete? You can put it indoors and you can put it outdoors, and it has a really broad label. So look at the area that you want to put this out in and see if it fits for you. But I'm talking, you know, grass areas, broadcast spray, perimeter spray, broadcast application, perimeter application, crack and crevice for the most part indoors, unless you're going into a bait box, a tamper-proof bait box, which we will put right up here. QR code if you need a tamper-proof bait box. They're great to have. It keeps pests, kids out of it. Can you pick it up and shake it and it'll fall out? Yes, it's just more of a tamper-proof. It's not resistant, okay? So let's take a look at this lawn. They've given us an idea of where this stuff may be. They said the outer portion of the lawn. So let's just walk this thing and let's see if we can find those fire ant mounds, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how to apply Maxforce Complete Granular. Now what I'm doing, I'm just searching the lawn to make sure that not only they may have missed something or I don't miss anything. Just make sure we cover all the mounds, because these things will bite the heck out of you. Now let me talk about that for a minute. These fire ants, these imported fire ants and most fire ants, how they bite you, and it's multiple times. It's not just one time like a bee sting, okay? They grab onto you with their mandibles and then they repeatedly sting you in a circle. And that's why you're jumping around.
Fire ants!
Freaking out if you irritate unexpectedly one of these ant mounds, or if you're just out in your yard, summertime, man, you're walking around, you're barefoot, you're in your chanclas, whatever it may be, you don't want these things on you, man. It's a mean bite, and it's usually not one ant, it's multiple ants, and they're crawling up your leg, and before you know it, they're in your crotch area, man. I don't want them in your crotch area, okay? All right, let's look for these ant mounds. Here's one right here. Okay, I'm gonna squat down here, I'm gonna show you. Now look, we don't see a lot of activity here, but the camera can pick up these little potted holes. Now, I'm not gonna disturb this mound. I wanna tell you why. When you treat ant mounds, you are gonna treat around the mound. You're never gonna put it on top of the mound with Maxforce Complete. If you put it on top of the mound, it's not natural, and you can irritate the ants. If you irritate them, they're not gonna go for the bait, and you want them going for the bait. So it's gonna be a light sprinkle around the edge here. Okay, how much of this are you gonna put on each ant mound? You are gonna put approximately 1 tablespoon, okay? So the best way to do that is to just grab a utensil out of your kitchen and then just reach in here in this section where you see it has the sprinkle section, and then it has the section for your spoon that you just grabbed out of the kitchen. Man, do not grab the spoon out of your kitchen, okay? You cannot use utensils that you put in your mouth. I'm joking. Grab a disposable spoon that you can throw away, or something that's dedicated to pesticides only. Do not grab spoon from kitchen. But they give you a section here, okay? So when you do have your spoon that's dedicated to pesticides, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna get about 2 of these scoops, okay? And then you're gonna lightly sprinkle it around that ant mound. I'm gonna do that, but we're gonna use the sprinkle section. They give you the old guesstimate. Now you're going, well, if I sprinkle it, how do I know what an ounce is? Have you been out on a Friday and Saturday night and had a good time at that bar? You know what an ounce is, okay? You've done the shots. That's an ounce, guys. Guesstimate, put it around, okay? It doesn't have to be exact. Now, let's see if there's any more mounds before we treat. Look right here. Okay, look, here's a little activity. Let's get the camera to look at this. Do you see these guys? Now, if I disturb this mound with my finger, which I'm not gonna do, these things are gonna go crazy, but it's gonna defeat the purpose of what I just said. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle this around the area. So let's get into this can, guys. It comes like I showed you, has the 2 pop tops. One's like a salt and pepper shaker. The other one's for the spoon. You're gonna twist this off like this. It's gonna have the sealed cap. You're just gonna take this. You're gonna put that out of the way. I don't think I finished on PP&E. Most PP&E is gonna be long sleeve, long pants, it's gonna be chemical protective gloves, socks and shoes. You professionals already have that on. Now, with Maxforce Complete, it says socks and shoes only, okay? So I'm like a DIYer out here. I'm in my short sleeve, I'm in my shorts, I got my tennis shoes on. You don't wanna be in your chanclas, right? have your tennis shoes on. It doesn't say gloves, but it's a pesticide, so I put a glove on anyways, right? This is what it looks like inside. Do you guys see that? Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put it like this. I always like to shake it up a little bit, and then I open up the part that I'm gonna use, the salt and pepper shaker. So here we go. We're gonna put a little of this around this mound, a little bit of it, okay? A little bit on the sidewalk. It's just natural. And then you're just gonna allow the ants to forage. If they go for it right now, we'll be able to show it to you on camera. Sometimes the ants like to see it for a little bit before they touch it, but they'll grab that, they'll take that back to the nest. Now, the chemical in Maxforce Complete is, what is the chemical then? Hydromethanol. What does that mean to you? Absolutely nothing. It's just a chemical name, but it's a stomach poison. How it works is they ingest it and eventually it causes death, but it is a slow release. It's what you want with ants, okay? You want that slow release because you want them to pick that up and not die right away. They need to carry it back to the nest, kill off the queen, and kill off the rest of the colony as they share it with Trophylactis. That's when they share it, mouth-to-mouth feeding, okay? So, how long is it gonna take, Maxforce Complete? A couple days. In my experience, Maxforce Complete takes about 3 days, maybe 5, sometimes sooner. Just go with that 3-day thing. Come back 3 days later, see if you have activity. If you don't notice activity, go ahead and knock that mound down flush. And then if it stays flush, and when you're knocking it down, you don't see ants going crazy, you wiped out the colony, guys. They're gonna have multiple colonies. That one we showed you over there is most likely related to this colony right here. So you gotta treat them all, so you gotta walk the lawn. We've walked this so far, we found 2. We'll do a little bit more over here just to see. This right here, to some of you may look like it, that's an old gopher mound. And I know that because I've been out here before. So all that is old gopher activity. Now we've walked over here, we haven't seen anything else. So I think we're just dealing with the 2 that we saw over there. And that's it as far as the grass goes. Now, if you were gonna do this around the perimeter of a building, okay? You wanna go around your house and do that. It's gonna be a 1 to 2 foot band, but it's not gonna be a solid 1 to 2 foot band. And then it's gonna be 0.5 ounce, half an ounce per 25 linear feet. Do you see? That's a lot. So it's just a light sprinkle back and forth to form that 1 to 2 foot mark, and then around that area. If you have pets, you have kids that you're worried about getting into it, I would not do a perimeter out there where things can get into it. Now, as far as the wildlife, the birds, the things like that, it's not really enough unless they were to sit there and lick and gulp that stuff up. But if you're worried about that, tamper-proof bait stations are your best friend. And like I said, we'll have those on the screen. If you need them, get those. They work great inside too. Now, you can't put this in USDA meat processing plants. I have to mention that because maybe some of you work there and you want to put this out. Can't put it out in those, okay? Restaurants, things like that, you can, but it's crack and crevice treatment only or in a tamper-proof bait box. Now, can you get off of the property? Well, of course you can. You just saw us do a grass area. Do you have ants around the trees? Do you have roaches around the trees? Yes. Remember I told you it kills a plethora of other bugs out there, but just a simple, ready-to-use, no-brainer Maxforce Complete Granular. If you guys have any comments, throw them in that comment section down below, something I may have missed, but this thing's ready to go. You don't need anything else, and I'll answer those for you. Thank you for all the thumbs up out there. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and you'll get our videos, and hopefully they help you multiple times a week. Craig, howtopest.com.